ZANU-PF Deputy Youth Commissar Taurai Kandishaya's farm in Murewa is just like President Emmerson Mnangagwa's Precabe farm, emerged as a new political gathering point for those seeking access to influential ruling party figures, especially recently appointed Central Committee member Tagwirei. Sadapena mash kubdanyi kwachinzi Taurai Kandishaya turns on farm into Tagwirei's Precabe. Very well, subscribe or like or on the bell icon. Tipina mnamwendo amiko. This follows revelations by Kandishaya that he hosted former footballers and coaches, where Central Committee member Tagwirei donated $100,000 towards their welfare in courts. Well, yesterday, in the spirit of President Mnangagwa's vision, Dr. Tagwirei remembered former footballers and coaches of Zimbabwe. They gathered in Murewa on my farmland, where Comrade Tagwirei injected an inaugural $100,000 for their upkeep and guaranteed health care, among other benefits, Kandishaya wrote on. He said the meeting was also used to mobilize political support for President Emmerson Mnangagwa, adding that the former players publicly declared their renewed backing for ZANU-PF leader. In quotes, confession after confession, former footballers stood up to express the conversion of their hearts to support President Comrade Dr. Mnangagwa again, Kandishaya said. The post also linked the gathering to growing calls within the ruling party for Mnangagwa to remain in office beyond the end of his current term in 2028. President Mnangagwa's message centers on development, unity, engagement, re-engagement, and respect. In turn, the masses continue to persuade him to extend his term to 2030, Kandishaya added. Kandishaya praised Tagwirei's role in the party, saying the businessman regularly uses public platforms to outline government achievements, promote party resolutions, and articulate Mnangagwa's policy direction. Ndo mashikano kudai toko panguwa ino na Kandishaya achisapota Tagwirei ariyo panguwa ire achisapota again the president in the attainment of Vision 2030. Pina comment section medu za fungu imo tulipa msobe chitu ichi. So subscribe or like, chita on the bell.